This is part 2 of the video on spermidine. Now, uh, what are the functions of spermidine? Now, the first function of spermidine that is well known is that spermidine is a nootropic. That means it encourages brain growth and neuroplasticity. It allows the brain to grow as one is from a young age, and then after the brain growth has stopped, it also encourages neuroplasticity by encouraging more synapses to be formed. It encourages autophagy. Now, autophagy is the system by which the body detoxifies itself, declutters itself. You know that metabolism is a very messy affair and usually results in a lot of clutter, a lot of waste, a lot of worn out machinery, and so on. So periodically the body needs to clean out all this clutter. And the process that the body uses to do this is called autophagy. And spermidine is believed to upregulate autophagy inducing genes. So if your diet is high in spermidine, you are likely to have you are likely to be detoxifying and cleaning out regularly. It also helps heart health, and it also helps the heart health and blood vessels so that they remain young and active and free from disease. It also participates in DNA repair. Now you know that regularly from chemicals, from sun irradiation, from all other forms of things, DNA tends to get damaged and needs to be repaired. So spermidine is one of the things that helps to repair DNA. For all these reasons, spermidine is central to metabolism, and without adequate spermidine, one is likely to age fast and lose his cognition and have a diminished lifespan. Now, what are the dietary sources of spermidine? I've mentioned some in the last video. Old cheese, that is a favorite of people from blue zones. Fermented soya beans like natto, which is a favorite meal of the Japanese. These these fermented foods contain a lot of spermidine, and because it forms part of their staple diet, their diet is high in spermidine, and that's why they tend to live very long and healthy. Other sources of spermidine include yogurt. Yogurt, yes, yogurt contains a lot of spermidine. Then fermented cruciferous vegetables, so cabbage, carrot, other vegetables. You can dice them and soak them in water with a lot of salt for a few days to ferment, and they will produce a lot of spermidine for you to eat, and you can eat that as a salad. Now I can already hear people protesting. All these foods are not part of our menu in Africa. So how do we get spermidine from our diet? Well, there are many sources of spermidine in our diet. The first one that I can mention is local seasoning, made out of fermented locust bean and fermented soya beans. Now, if you use this as a seasoner for all your meals, you will be getting a lot of spermidine. But if you insist on using bouillon cubes, what you will be getting is MSG, monosodium glutamate, which is known to promote cancer growth. Another substance that is readily available to you is local brew, either brukutu or pitu. These contain a lot of spermidine because they are made from sprouted or germinated seeds. Now, the process of germination and sprouting, the level of spermidine goes up by 5 to 10 times. So if, for instance, you are having about 500 milligrams per 100 grams of spermidine, by the time you sprout it, it may increase to fourfold. And so drinking burkutu or kununzaki that is made from sprouted grains will increase your levels of spermidine. Then germinated seeds in entirety, yeah, okay, like germinated soya beans, you can germinate soya beans for about 5 to 7 days before you make a meal out of it. Alpha seeds, you can germinate them. Rice, you can germinate rice and then grind it and make it into a gruel. And wheat germ, all of these things contain high levels of spermidine. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.